Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom rusted house number signs. Every once in a while our customers come up to us with some unique projects, and this is definitely one of them. By far most of the metal that we do here, whether it's anodized aluminum, stainless steel, or mild steel, is never rusted, as you see to this extent here. Now for here, the customer is their aesthetic, that's what they want. And of course we plasma cut it, no problem at all. Now what I want you to notice out of this is, yeah, we cut a whole bunch of them, but it's the edge quality. That's the most important part. Now for this job here, it doesn't really matter. Let me get the focus working. Hopefully you can see it. So for this job here, the edge quality doesn't really matter, but it's still nice to produce something that's really nice and sharp. There, you can see it better there. So the edge quality we get on mild steel is absolutely fabulous. I'd say it's almost the same as if it was laser cut. There's a little bit more of a kerf, but it's very minor. Especially for jobs like this, it's just a wonderful tool to work with for our customers. I've had to cut a lot of mild steel in the past, manually with power tools and all kind of stuff, and that really makes you appreciate having a plasma cutter to cut metal. It's just such a seamless process. Now for this here, we made all the digital files for the customer, which is how we always do with all of our customers. So the first step is they tell us what they want. In this case here, again, the customer fired at us the material. Once we get the digital design approved, we go ahead and do the plasma cutting. So how repeatable is plasma cutting or any other CNC for that matter? Well, we have two Gs. We have a couple other ones that are the same as well. So I have two different Gs cut at two different times here, and we'll put them together. And you'll see, let me just get the orientation correct. You'll see that they're completely identical. Looks like I have one, but I actually have two of them here. You can see the edge quality a little bit better now. No, that's not going to work for us. Anyways, it's totally repeatable, so if you have something that's high precision, it's absolutely not an issue for CNCKing.com to cut it for you and to ship it right to your door.